Can I customize Avery Label Templates in Mac and save them for future use?
Welcome to today's tutorial on how to customize Avery Label Templates on your Mac and save them for future use. This guide will help you get started with the customization process, allowing you to create professional-looking labels with ease.
What software do I need to customize Avery Label Templates?
Before you start, make sure you have Microsoft Word or Apple Pages installed on your Mac, as these applications are compatible with Avery templates.
How do I access the Avery Label Templates?
In order to access the Avery Label Templates, follow these simple steps. 1. Open Microsoft Word or Apple Pages on your Mac. 2. Click on File in the top left corner. 3. Select New from Template. 4. Browse through the available templates and search for Avery or the specific template number you're looking for.
How do I customize the label template?
Once you have opened the desired Avery template, you can customize it by following these steps. 1. Click on the text or graphics you want to edit. 2. Use the text formatting options, font, size, color, etc. in the application to make your desired changes. 3. You can also add new text, images, or shapes to your label template.
How do I save my customized label template for future use?
After customizing your Avery label template, you'll want to save it for future use. Here's how. 1. Click on File in the top left corner of the application. 2. Choose Save As or Save. 3. Pick a location on your Mac where you want to store the file. 4. Give your customized template a meaningful name. 5. Make sure to save it as a doc file for Microsoft Word or Pages file for Apple Pages. That's it. You have now successfully customized your Avery label template and saved it for future use. You can reuse the saved template anytime you need to print labels, making it a convenient and efficient solution for your labeling needs.